video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Make a great choice today with the 2017 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.